Next question, how can you describe a repository?
So it is actually the simple code repo is a storage. So I have I'm working on a mini application. So I have a front end, I have my own repository. I have a backend, I have my own repository. If I work like the 5 backend, I have a 5 repository. So each of the code base, we have a single storage that where we store the code. So now you can ask the different way. My code repository is different than the main repository or the development repository. In the development repository, all other developer actually code is there, and then my own repository, only my code is there. So what we do is, when I write the code, I actually create a branch. That's my repo. So in my branch, I push everything else. And then finally, after the review is done by our team, actually I push it to the development branch. Push means I merge it. So now the development branch has the latest code that I have written. So now the other developer, they have to pull this code on their own branch so that they can actually start, they can get the latest code and they can actually write the code as well. So code is the repository tool for the central collaboration and all other benefits I have mentioned in the last answer.